Ladybugs, ladybugs, oh ladybugs, ladybugs. What do you think? Should we release our little soldiers so they can go out and eat those aphids? I think so. Let's do it. It is May 29th, 2017, Memorial Day, and I'm giving you a garden update. The squash was planted April 29th. It has been here for a month. This is a row of bush beans, and they have been planted since the first part of May, a little after that actually, so about 3 weeks. And we did manage to get out here and get the foil on the tops of the rest of the buckets. The concept of using a reflective mulch has been around for a good many years. And if you watched any of our videos, like the bug video, or you're on Facebook and we've been talking, this is a way to try to deflect the insects that carry viruses from your plants. Shout out to Angus McDuff, an 88-year-old gardener who is a new friend of mine, and he said he has been using this foil method for 15 years and never sprays, so that's pretty terrific. On this row, I have some melons in the 2 end buckets and the middle one. I just planted the middle one. And the rest are cowpeas. Another view of the squash and zucchini from this side. Cannot believe that that is only a month in the ground. Larry Hall, you are a genius. I absolutely love this rain gutter grow system. On this side, oh, there's a little melon that I just planted on this end today. A little late getting it in. And then we have pole beans and cucumbers in the middle. And more pole beans and another melon on the end. Can you say maters? Maters, maters, maters. They are totally outgrowing their trellises. Probably going to have to top them out. That, or we talked about adding a little bit more to our trellises. But they are loaded. Very pleased with that. Ready to eat some red tomatoes. These are my winter squashes, and they have been in these buckets for 3.5 weeks. They were transplants. I did seed start them. And I have a baby started. This is a golden delicious. Gonna be yummy. This row here has peppers on each end and a bunch of lettuce in the middle. And I have not planted those 3 buckets yet. Probably gonna add some more lettuce. Jack Manti clematis. You gotta have flowers in your vegetable garden, right? This row here are cowpeas, which we Southerners certainly love to eat. And more than likely I won't harvest these while they're green. I'll just let them grow and dry out and then harvest the dried beans to put in soups. I like to mix them all together. It's really good that way. But we have red rippers, and there's some pinto beans in there. Calico crowder, clay cowpea, green-eyed cowpea, shanty cowpea, conch, several varieties. This row here is okra, 2 different kinds, and the reason some are a lot bigger than the others are because the bigger ones are the ones I seed started in net cups, and the little ones are the ones that I direct sowed. So that is the difference there. This row are some more peppers and 3 eggplants in the middle. And we have a baby eggplant. And here is garden bed number 5. It's actually the original garden bed. So let's do a quick update. I seed started this corn in my greenhouse March 28th, and it was probably late April, very late April, might even been early May, when I actually got it planted in the kiddie pool system in Larry's 7.5 gallon grow bags. Just love this system. So when I planted them, they were 1.5 feet maybe tall, not even that. So you can see the explosive growth that we've had with the corn. Over on this side I have potatoes in those first 3 buckets, and these 2 little buckets are sweet potatoes. There were 6 slips in there that I had ordered. I won't order them again. I will do my own slips. So far only 3 have survived, but hopefully they'll get going and they will be climbing up the trellis. Well, they won't climb, they're not climbing vines, but I will attach them to the trellis to keep it up off the ground. And on this gutter over here, I have peppers. And this tomato plant is one that I had forgotten to plant down below out of all my seed starts. And it is way outgrowing this little tomato cage. But it's got maters. And with today being Memorial Day, we want to remember the fallen. That is why we are free.